Hey guys, this is Mike Tarallo with Qlik, and this is your Qlik Sense in 60. Starting with the November 2019 release of our Qlik Sense Enterprise Cloud Editions, you are now able to use QlikView apps in the Qlik Sense Hub. QlikView customers who have adopted dual-use licensing can now leverage their Qlik Sense Cloud Hub to provide a single point of entry for their users. This gives a unified approach to modern analytics while working towards dramatic reduction in infrastructure costs, simplifying deployments, and ensuring compliance. November 2019 introduces Phase 1 of a two-phase approach, where you can manually upload, view, and consume QlikView documents alongside Qlik Sense, using a common hub and infrastructure with a single license key. Phase 2, coming in 2020, will automate this process using QlikView Publisher, along with additional popular QlikView features, so stay tuned. When using QlikView and Qlik Sense side by side, you have the freedom to choose which product to satisfy application requirements for each project. And that is your Qlik Sense in 60. To learn more in 60, check out our YouTube channel and search our playlist, or simply search for Qlik Sense in 60 in the YouTube search bar.